crunchy and sweet. Let's jump along to the alphabet beat. B for the ball that we kick so high. C for the cat with the glowing eye. D for the duck sliding down the stream. E for the egg in a golden dream. F for the flute and the melody bright. G for the garden of magic and light. H for the hippo, giant purple letter. I for the ice cream, in lemur dancing. J for the jackrabbit, so wobbly and blue. K for the kite flying over the view. L for the lion, hear him roar. M for the moon, let's go explore. N for the net made of stars in the air. O for the orange, we're ready to share. P for the penguin, march 1, 2, 3. Q for the queen, as royal as can be. R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. We learned the whole song, just you and me. Wake up, open your eyes. English is a sweet surprise. Say hello to the sun so bright. Say good morning with all your might. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Words are friends for you and me. Red and blue and yellow too. Colors tell a story new. I can run and I can play. Learning actions every day. Listen close and you will hear. English sounds are very clear. Big and small, short and tall, we can name them one and all. A magic carpet, oh what a sight, taking us to the sky so blue and bright. Sing it loud and sing it proud, like a star above the cloud. English is my superpower, growing stronger every hour. In my pocket a secret key. English opens doors for me. I see a tree, I see a flower. Words give